Alright guys, so I thought to myself, get myself a Nintendo Switch OLED again from Argos with the bundle that comes with screen protector and it comes with a little carrier case to hold that. So yeah man, we'll get straight into unboxing. Right, so this is the multi-screen protector kit. It comes with the cloth, the screen protector, and yeah, we'll just... Alright, so here first, our first unboxing will be the multi-screen protector kit. It comes with a cloth and a screen protector for your Switch OLED model. So it's just a simple, you know me, I'm a bit wild with the opening the packages, chat. So inside we've got here, I think that's 2 screen protectors, and sure that should be the thing that you kind of straighten out once you've put the screen protector on the cloth right here. Second, we've got the deluxe travel case for the Nintendo Switch. We'll open this one here quickly. So it comes with a little carrier as well. It seems quite compact. Get that one open quick. Hold on. Right, so this is how it looks. It's got quite a sleek design. Let's see how it looks inside. So you've got, this compartment. You've got the slots for the games. I'm sure that's where the console goes. Or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it goes here. I'm not entirely sure, chat. We'll find out. But yeah, this is your case for the Nintendo Switch. Right, so this one should be quite simple and straightforward. There you go. Okay, should be flip this around like so. Like this, and here you've got your Joy-Con sticks. This is the Mario edition, chat. And here we've got our red Nintendo Switch. I think, hey chat, just to let you all know, this is my second Switch that I've owned now, and I thought it's only right getting another one. And then inside, got the cables, the power plug, the HDMI cord, and we've got some of the accessories that get attached to the Joy-Con, and we've got the Nintendo Switch's deck inside here. There you go. And that, my people, is the Nintendo Switch OLED model, Mario edition. Now let's get this thing right, guys. So one little intriguing little detail that I noticed as well, you actually have the Mario coins when you open the dock, and you've got a little sign here of Mario. So I found that to be quite cool, man. So let's get this thing started. Alright guys, so this is the loaded up screen. I just have to insert the Joy-Cons into the Nintendo Switch. Alright guys, so this is the introduction to when you open your Switch. You just wanna, you're in Europe. Next, and you connect your internet quickly.